What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Truck of Choice. Before we go any further, the first cold start of the day. So, I wanted to give you my first 1,000-mile review on my Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Yeah, I already put 1,000 miles in the past 3 weeks after getting this truck. I got this truck when it had 0 miles. And now we have 1,000 miles on this truck. And I just wanted to give you a review of what the 1,000 miles feels like. It may not be broken in. It might take another 2,000 miles, which is great because we're going on a trip this weekend to West Virginia to go skiing. And hopefully this truck will see some snow and we'll have some great footage of that. But I just wanted to give you a 1,000-mile review of what the truck feels like, the gas mileage, and the ride quality overall driving in the city, because most of these miles are not highway miles. Most of these miles are actually city miles. I only took it out on the highway maybe a couple of times since I've gotten it. So what is the gas mileage like and the ride quality, the features that I've got maybe, and all that good stuff. So let's get to it. All right, so if you can see, I'm getting about 17, if that focuses right, about 17.6 miles to a gallon in the city, which is pretty accurate. But I got the all-terrain Toyota Open Country AT3s, 32-inch tires, and still I'm not losing as much gas mileage in the city. Now that fluctuates depending on if I go uphill or downhill or cruise or whatever, but it's pretty good. The RPM stay pretty low. So as you can tell, 1,000 miles, 1,128 miles already. But yeah, I mean, it's got the 4-wheel drive. I haven't activated the 4-wheel drive at all. I mean, I put this thing in the mud, I've taken this thing into a ditch and stuff, but I didn't really activate the 4-wheel drive, and it pulled out pretty fine. I mean, there's probably some tire spinning and stuff, but it pulls out all right. And then I've got just basic stuff. I didn't want a truck with all the amenities, because the more amenities that I have, the more expensive it's gonna get later on down the road. I plan on keeping this truck for a long time. Later on down the road, if something goes wrong, then that's money trying to fix the electronics of the truck. So I didn't get as much as you think I would have bought. There's no seat heaters, or there's no steering wheel heaters. It does have the auto high beam capability, which is great, and the LED lights and all that good stuff. It's pretty simple, basic. Then I've got these cloth seats, which, yeah, I'm gonna sure upgrade to leather interior pretty soon here, because it's just easier to maintain a leather interior as opposed to a cloth interior. But other than that, I've got a couple of mods coming in today or sometime early next week, and I'll show you what those mods are as I get them and as I update my channel. So if you want more updates, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can be updated every time I post a video. Other than that, it's a pretty cool ride. 1,000 miles is not bad. It's actually pretty comfortable. The truck almost sort of smoothens out in that first 1,000 miles, and the gas mileage is more consistent over 1,000 miles, and I kind of know roughly how much I would get on a full tank. Toyota does a pretty good job of keeping it simple, not getting too complicated, and just doing the best that it can to make sure that their vehicles last a long time. I mean, there you go. That's your 1,000-mile review of my experience in this Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. And I'll be bringing more content, because I'll be putting another 1,000 miles this weekend, going to that ski trip in West Virginia and all that good stuff. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can be updated when I post these new upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye.